today we're going to be looking at the spot healing brush tool and the healing brush tool. These two right over here. The shortcut command is J. Just a little disclaimer. I'm all for beauty spots and freckles and little moles and all that. I think it's actually quite unique, and it adds a bit of character and uniqueness to the portrait. You know, it just, yeah, I personally like them, but in case you want to be able to remove yours or someone else's, or if that's what you want to do, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing, we're gonna be removing these freckles on her nose. They're actually so cute. Anyways, we're gonna right click on the layer. We're gonna duplicate it because we never want to be working on the original layer. Always want to be working on an edit. In case we mess it up so badly, we can always refer back to it. And then we're gonna press J. All right. So with the spot healing brush tool, we do not have to sample. What do I mean by that? Let me show you by showing you the healing brush tool first. Let me zoom in a bit. I'm pressing Command and plus to zoom in a little bit. So what I mean by sampling is you're going to hold Option key and you're just going to click on an area of skin that you want to sample. All right. Now, when I click, it's going to be sampling from that little area, and it's going to be indicated by a little white cross. Do you see it? So it's constantly going there and just sampling from that area. And it's applying it to the area where my mouse is, if that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining this properly. So I'm just clicking, and now I want to sample from this area now. All right. So let's just do it to the hairline. I mean, not to the hairline. This little line of hair right here. So that was the healing brush tool. With the spot healing, there is no need to sample. It will just take the sample from the area around the circle that you are trying to fix. Do you see that? There's no square. Sorry, let me just right click and change the hardness. It's a bit too hard for my liking. Yeah, I want it to be soft. Just so it blends a bit better, you know. Of course, I'm not trying to be perfect with this. I'm just trying to show you how to use the tool. You see, there we go. Make this a bit smaller. Hold on, it's a bit, yeah, that's better. So we're just going to keep going around and around and just clicking on all the spots. It's like a little game. Let's fix that one. That one there is as well. There. Of course, I'm not trying to be precise. And I can make the size of the brush I'm using bigger or smaller by using the square brackets. Bigger, smaller. Of course. All right. Oh, let's do this one as well. Yeah. Do you think it's going to work on this? Let's see. Yeah, kind of did. Command Z for that. All right, and then I'm going to press Command 0. Wait, oh, I missed some. Let's zoom in here. And there's one on our hand here. Yeah, okay. Like I said, I'm not trying to be precise, just showing you how to use it. So let's look at the original, which actually looks so unique and I prefer, but in case you want to be able to remove them, there you go. So that's the original, and that's with the spot healing and healing brush tool. So let's look at another image actually. Here we go again. Let's duplicate the layer because we never ever want to work on the original. Let's, let's use the healing brush tool because I don't want to be sampling. And just like that, they disappear. Boom, boom, boom. Oh wait, I just took away her hair there. There we go. Yeah, you know what, I think that's good. You'll get the idea. So that's before, that's after, before, after. And that is how you use the spot healing brush tool and the healing brush tool in Photoshop. I hope you learned something and you could apply this to any photos that you find online. Just practice a little bit. But yeah, have a good day and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Cheers. Have a good one.